Sometimes it's the biggest surprise of my life just happened today. My God. Okay, when I go into Time to Breakfast, promise to show your parents, your careers, anybody who you know. I am the best at Timetable Rockstar of all time. Okay, with a big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Before I do this, you have to subscribe for me to show you. So I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did hit it? Okay, here it is. Not very much of a surprise, cause I'm good at Timetable Rockstar anyways. Cause I'm just popping off like everything's nothing. Okay. So today is my brother's first video. Sorry about this, but I'm gonna have to go and take a shower. So today is my brother's first video. So I'm to say, JJ plays. That's the video. I'm not putting that as my brother and what he's doing. Forget about that. So I'm going to let him do it while I'm having a shower. So yeah. So guys, it's your boy JJ. But today is my first video. I can't believe it. I'm just like playing stupid. But this time, don't even think about skipping any parts. Just to let you know, don't skip any parts, bro. Any parts. Okay? Any parts. Man, somebody, huh? I got this to play. Fortnite, man. Fortnite, you pay for that. Yeah, I'm just the up, so. And when you move, yeah, keep it right there. That's, oh yeah, I forgot I was on it. I'm a level 22. I killed the bot. Oh, I'm just easy. The best W to move forward. Okay? But if you haven't seen this video before, just like, you see this game? You can download Roblox for free. Definitely for free. You have to go to my account right now. Type in J less and play, okay? Alright? Okay. Just to let you know, you are definitely going to do something. But when I get a kill, you have to get 1,002 subscribers. Yeah, I'm not kidding. So 1,002 subscribers. I'm serious. 1,002 subscribers. Okay? Jeez. The thing with the light. Oh, I know. Come on, just look at again. We gotta look here. Microphone, you're gonna get knocked out of something. Man, that guy had the money guns. Well, what's this? Wait, what? It's from this way? Well, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Man, that guy had the TV head? Mama, I'll show you who had the TV head now. Me.
I thought you said that you okay, you gone?
Because I had to click W to move forward.
No, you didn't have to. Why are you using a fan?
Huh?
Why are you using the fan?
Cause I see somebody.
Okay, my brother's going for a move. You don't need to aim.
See what? Wait, what? I just killed him?
No, you didn't. I was just messing around with this.
Well, somebody shoot after me. Somebody shoot after me. Well. Man, stop!
Move to the side,
What
man.
the
Move to
hell?
the side.
I'm trying to get my kill. You know what? Just go home. Die.
Crap, I'm out. Let me try again, yeah. Where you going?
Man, bluff! Get off my food, bluff! Man!
Okay.
Stop taking all my things!
Get out of here, boy.
Somebody's up there, bluff! See you
No,
there!
I gave it to you. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope
No,
you
it's
guys
not.
enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe.
No!
Guys,
Guys,
remember
you have to
hit
no,
that like and
2,000,
subscribe.
1,002 subscribers, boy!
I don't
1,002!
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know what he's talking about. I did not tell him so. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoy the video and remember to subscribe and like.
It was the
Bye.
It was really